Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today I've got a class, Yoga Glow Flow, to help you to glow in your flow. You may want to use a pillow in the class and roll out your mat, and let's get started. So first, we're going to start off with a breathing exercise. There's a slight constriction of the throat, and it sounds like the waves in the ocean when you're breathing. So slight constriction in the throat, and it sounds like the waves, like I said, and it's... Now you can close your eyes, and it's just maybe taking your hands to your heart, one hand on the belly, and then constricting your throat a little bit and just breathing in and breathing out. Remember, it sounds like waves in the ocean. And as you're breathing, just allowing the breath to go all the way to your belly. Taking your time with it. Breathing's really, really important. Allows to oxygenate our organs, nourish them, allows the mind and body to relax, and really does help us to come back to the present moment, which is the only moment we have. So keep focusing on your breath, closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. When you're breathing like this, it really can help you to calm the mind down and the body too. And if you're really interested in making breathing a practice in your daily life, I've got something for you. It's in the description. So keep breathing. A few more breaths. And then gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. How is that for you? So now we're going to come to the floor, placing the pillow, if you've got one handy, on the floor, and then bringing your feet together and just taking some breaths here. Relaxing into it. And again, breathing deeply, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly. As you breathe in, the navel rises, and as you breathe out, the navel falls. Just allowing your legs to just fall open and relax, allowing your arms to just be by your side, or you can place them on your belly, feeling the breath. One more breath here. And then if your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes. Now bringing your feet flat on the mat, hands by your side, palms facing down, and we're just going to lift up the hips here. So breathing in and lifting up, breathing out, vertebrae by vertebrae, laying down on the mat. And again, breathing in, lifting up. Take your time, no need to rush. Coming down vertebrae by vertebrae. Let's do a few more of those. Breathing in, coming up, lifting up vertebrae by vertebrae and coming down. One more time, breathing in, coming up. See if you can lift up a bit higher. You might even want to lift up from your toes and then coming down vertebrae by vertebrae. And then bringing your arms out slightly, bringing your feet as wide as the mat if you can. And then we're just going to windshield wiper the legs, just gently. And again, breathing in as you come one way, breathing out as you come the other way. And then just allowing yourself to rotate your head in the opposite direction of the legs. Just taking your time, feeling your back just opening up. Let's do a couple of those. And one more. And then bringing your feet in slightly. Let's take your knees one direction, head in the other. Might want to close your eyes if that's comfortable. Just really breathing deeply really allows you to glow when you breathe deeply. Breathe. And just allowing anything that's disturbing you, any noisy thoughts, any distractions, just allow it to float away like clouds on a sunny day. And just remember to go as far as you can go. There's no such thing as a perfect pose, just what feels comfortable to you. You're the only one that knows what's good for your body. Listen to your body. Take one more deep breath in here. And then as you breathe out, bringing either head and legs to the center. Let's go over to the other side. Breathing deeply. Feeling a lovely stretch on your hip and your back, even your neck. Just relaxing into it. Breathe. And remember, if you need to just ease off, you might want to bring your legs in a bit if it feels too much of a stretch. Or you can take it out a little bit more if you want to feel more of a stretch. All bodies are different and unique. So do what feels comfortable to you. One more breath here. And then bringing your head and legs to the center. Now you can roll over to one side and come up, or we can roll like this. So a couple of rolls. One more. And then coming on to all fours. I want to place the pillow to one side. And now we're going to take the opposite arm to the opposite leg. So you're raising the opposite arm to opposite leg. Just stretching as much as you can, bringing it in, bringing it out. So breathe in as you stretch. Breathe out as you bring it in. Breathe in as you stretch. Breathe out as you come back. Now, if that's too much, just take the leg. Or you can just take the arm and come down. Let's do the other direction. So breathing in, stretching the arm and the leg. Remember, you can just do the leg and the arm because it does need some balance. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Let's do one more. And breathing out. Then bringing your hands to the center. Let's just do some cat and cow here. So looking up, breathing in, breathing out, curving your spine. Breathing in, looking up, breathing out, curving your spine. Breathing in, looking up, breathing out, curving your spine. Coming to the center, and then coming to the mat with your toes on the mat, stretching our toes, and then just taking hands to our hips like this. And then you're just going to come back. You're just going to come back as far as you can, feeling a lovely stretch, opening up of the heart and the throat. Really feeling a stretch, and then coming straight, and then coming to the center. Let's breathe in and stretch up. Now you can stay here if you want, or if you want to challenge yourself, you can bring your hands to your feet and stretch, bringing your hands to your back, coming down, and then just widening your legs. And let's just come forward, taking a breath. This is child's pose. Just breathing here, letting go and just relaxing. When we do a posture like that, when we're opening up the heart, the throat, that was called camel, it can really be energizing. So when we do something like this in the opposite direction, it helps the mind and body to relax, and it does help to just feel calm in the mind and the body. Breathe here, one more deep breath in, and breathe out, and then come up, seated on the mat. So let's just close our eyes, just taking a moment to feel some gratitude for our practice, and just feeling as you breathe in, feel light comes into the body, and as it flows in, feel it expanding, feel it going to your legs, to your arms, to your shoulders, and to your face. Visualize this light is allowing you to glow. And as you breathe out, feel any tension, any tightness, just release. So breathing in light, breathing out tension and tightness. Breathing in light, breathing out tension and tightness. And then gently open your eyes. Hope you're feeling the glow as you flowed in this class. Do share it with anyone who would also appreciate feeling the glow. And I've got something, like I said, something for breathing if you want to incorporate that into your practice, into your daily life. And I look forward to practicing with you again. So until next time, namaste.